So this is an install of a hitch for Acura 2020 MDX. This just arrived in the mail, and there was actually a scratch on this, and there's some steel exposed, so I might have to put some fluid film on it. This install should be pretty easy. It's 6 bolts that goes on right there. I actually purchased one of these on Amazon for a couple bucks to cover this, to keep dust away, but then I think I realized dust can actually enter from this side right here. So I don't know if that's useful, but so this is my MDX. Let me actually go under to show you where the bolts go. I actually pre-taped it with blue tape. So those are the areas where the bolts go, actually. So I did tape it so that there wouldn't be any dust getting into there. And then on the other side, similar, it's right. Here are the 6 bolts for the install. They seem pretty heavy duty, but kind of surprised that these 6 bolts can support 5,000 pounds. All right, so before we can do the install, we actually have to remove the spare tire from underneath to make room for the hitch. So in order to do that, to access the spare tire, we have to remove this panel and then pull out the plug. So you pull out this plug, and then you should have a wrench right here with a square socket, and you actually just insert it and just turn it counterclockwise. And when you do so, just keep turning it counterclockwise. Actually, you didn't need that much effort to undo it. And as you're doing it, the tire will slowly come down. Okay. And then you just remove that to get the spare tire out of the way. You just slip this square piece through the hole, and then you can just lift this out. Alright, so you see the hitch here with the 3 bolts. Now what you have to do is actually slip it in from the side, and you have to push this rubber gasket all the way over and try to get it through here. So there's going to be probably about 2 millimeter spacing here where you could do that, but you know, slip it in through from the side and push this all the way over, and it will fit underneath. So that's how you get this big bar here to fit on the side with 3 bolts. And it might be hard for us to torque it. Well, actually, this is kind of the easiest hitch, probably type of hitch to put on. All right, so that is that side. And you will need a torque wrench, because these things do tighten more than you actually think. So actually, lots of times with this, I probably have to add audio.
I think I kind of added audio. I don't know how you can.
Oh, I have the video editing stuff to take out the audio.
Is these rolling so much like her back's bothering her? I'm just turning. Here's the sleeve.
You have that on the facing the right side.
What do you mean? I have to make sure it goes in, like underneath.
Oh, like that's the bottom.
It's facing the right side. The hollow side's towards the bottom. Just make sure it's snug up against here.
Guess all of the third row seatings are like that.
Let me just double check.
So next here I'm going to give you a side view of the hitch, so how flush it is with the bumper. So this is a little bit angled, but for the most part it's slightly recessed. Now I do have that rubber piece cover right at the end of the hitch, so it sticks out and it is a little bit flush. So just from your top angle against the bumper, you could see how flush it is. It doesn't stick out even with the cover itself. And now for the side angle here, right here, you can see. So that's really it. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.